All right. So in my previous video, we actually did I think we completed level 1 and we got the password for Natas 2. So okay. So let's go to oh, this is bandit. So we are doing Natas. Let's go to level 2. So here's the URL for level 2 and let's log into level 2. This is the password, Natas 2, and there you go. So it says that there is nothing on this page. So our first step would be to find the page source and analyze the page source if we can find something over here. Okay, there's one thing that we can see here is that there's an image source and there's a directory called files. Inside that directory, there's a pixel.png. So let's check that. So we'll type files and then what was that? Pixel.png. Pixel.png and see what we can find from here. Okay, so something we can check the directory also, like if we can find something on the directory. Oh, okay. There's a text file over here, which is user.txt. So let's see what we have over here. We have different username and passwords, and bingo, we have Natas 3 username and password as well. Okay, so we have found Natas level 3 password now. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.